The world's largest and longest snake has been spotted on the shores, leaving everyone in awe. This massive serpent, identified as a reticulated python, measures a staggering 25 feet, 2 inches, 7.67 meters in length and weighs over 350 pounds, 159 kilo. Its enormous body is as thick as a car tire, with scales as black as coal and patterns that shimmer like gold in the sunlight. As it slithers across the sand, its massive coils leave deep impressions, like a tractor tire rolling over the beach. The sound of its scales scraping against the sand is like thunder, sending shivers down the spines of onlookers. Despite its intimidating size, the snake seems to be in a tranquil state, as if enjoying the warmth of the sun on its scaly skin. Its unblinking eyes appear to be taking in the surroundings, drinking in the sights and sounds of the bustling beach. As news of the giant snake spreads, crowds begin to gather, mesmerized by the sheer size and majesty of this incredible creature. Some brave souls attempt to get closer, but the snake's piercing gaze keeps them at bay. The local wildlife authorities have been notified, and a team of experts is on its way to safely capture and relocate the snake to a more suitable habitat. Until then, the beachgoers will continue to marvel at this incredible sight, grateful for the rare opportunity to witness a wonder of nature up close. As the sun begins to set, casting a golden glow over the beach, the snake slowly begins to move, its massive body undulating as it searches for a place to rest. The crowd holds its collective breath, watching in awe as the snake disappears into the nearby dunes, leaving behind a trail of wonder and excitement. The discovery of the giant snake has sent shockwaves through the community. With many people eager to learn more about this incredible creature. Experts are already speculating about the snake's origins. With some suggesting that it may have been washed ashore from a nearby island or even from as far away as Southeast Asia. As the night wears on, the beach is filled with the sound of excited chatter and the flash of camera bulbs. As people struggle to capture the essence of this incredible encounter. And as the stars begin to twinkle overhead, the giant snake remains a mystery. A reminder of the awe-inspiring power and beauty of the natural world.